Okay, so today we'll be playing with Fill the Fridge. So how you play is we all get these little cute little groceries in different colors. I'm blue, she's yellow, and she's red. But since this is for 4 players, green will be an extra. Anyway, so the person with no tokens left is the winner. But if Fill the Fridge opens and there are lots of groceries inside, they're all yours. So you have to start again. This is going to be really fun. So I hope you guys subscribe, like, and share. Let's go.
You're not allowed to touch the fridge. Only in the beginning, you're allowed to push it down so it can spin. Oh. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1, press.